Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kubantu abazipha isikhathi sabo ba type ama comments. Nginomisi sibeka WhatsApp. Akibala di comments uthi baking batho bayemelana lwena kanje ubuang. So like ngiyabonga kakhulu. It means a lot kulo muntu uvana ngipha leyo advice. It means a lot ukuthi at least we are trying to reach abantu abaningi uthi like singabi I society efela ngaphakathi, especially now because the stories esikhuluma manje sibhale ubhuti. So it clearly shows ukuthi now channel arena ayisa attracta kakhulu abantu besifazana kuphela namadoda ayaba ne chance ukuthi babukele and then babale nama comments wenu. So thank you. But subscribe bani phela ngeke sifike ku 20,000 na guys. Subscribe bani let's ka bala ka butsotsi subscribe mahala shem awubhatali mahala for like and subscribe and share. Ngiyacela tu and nibukele nama ads hleke khona batala wifi please kuthi ngibe la ngizonigive ithi global. Okay back to the story again. Ngibhalela ubhuti so ubhuti Philemon yangibhalela awushozi mina bengisebenza retail, so bengisebenza retailing in experience customer service like during nathi jobona. So mangisebenza ku retail like each and every time mangishayisile or mang off like awuzo browser around internet ngibheka like ama post kulabo nokuthi ngathola kuphi umsebenzi because I do have a qualification yabona or awushoza ngibe nenhlanhla ke ngiapplyele kwenye company. So man apply lapho vele bangifonela ukuthi no sizokudinga for interview. Ura ushozi kibe excited and ngiziprepare kulobona ukuthi ngisikafihla kwa ngisurprise isilungu sibaleke kulobona uthi vele ngiziprepare awushozi vele ngihambe ilanga le interview vele lifihle. Ura ushozi bithi la interview lifihle bengibhizi ngomthandazo ngiya fasting kulobona miracle okwaka awubatla like ngiyadinga ukuthi ngisuke kule environment engisebenzela ki because it's a very hard environment ukusebenza ku retail kulabona long hours ofila ngeli1 in a week abona lulengatsejwa. So bengidinga vele change of environment yabona what I was choosing ngifike ku interview mangifika laba interview khona interview abantu abayi3. Two of them bekumadoda like kwabilungu and then one umuntu omnyama umuntu wesifazana. Awushozi bang interview uthi a lot of questions bezimo into customer service. So izinto eziningi like bengivele ngizikhuluma nje ukulobona like ngibela from experience bengadinga ukuthi ngize ngiprepare speech and stuff yabona. So vele ngibona ukuthi bachazekile izinto vele bengizikhuluma like bekesabathuka the way bacela ngama question bebangibuza ngawo like ngibe relaxed because kinto ekephila every day. Hayi uthi mangiphuma vele bangitshela ukuthi no sizokufonela if uphasile interview then sokutshela ukuthi uze nini. Uthi okay sharp awusijozi kitsamaye uthi how immediately mangifika vele endlini ngithi ngifuna ukupheka awusijozi yangena vele i-email ukuthi congratulations Philemon uthola umsebenzi nayi i-offer yakho yabona if you happy ngayo ungasitshela and then sizokhona procedure sokuthumele i-contract. Awusijozi I was happy more la ngisebenzela khona ki sales right over sales ibatla umuntu ozimisele empilweni fanele ukuthi uzimisele and ube goal driven ikulobona uthi okay awusijozi hayi ngivume vele ngiyenze ngisign everything baromele the contract everything is resigning ngapha kulomsebenzi bengisebenzela ngawo ngize ngiseve 1 week because ngapha ngashela ukuthi ngicela bangiphi 1 week ukuthi ngiseve notice decide urayi ube like that. Awusijozi ngapha ngihambe kahle kube mnandi ngapha ngivalelise ungashi kungasi right kulobona khosikaba le bad blood between bathwane ngintse bereka libona because bengisebenza kahle beku right even though sometimes kaba toxic. Okay sharp uthi ngivalele uchapter ke senyangapha uthi how the day vele ngiya first time ngimsebenzini hayi vele vele bangimele vele badong introduce ke bangi-introduce kubantu engisebenza nabo vele uyangitshela le lady lo be interview uye vele na introduce to everyone yangitshela ukuthi lana sekupha i-contract 3 months isifuna ubona i-performance yakho if uperforma kahle and then la nisokhuluma kuya phambili but kule 3 months if like performance how iyaleka angeke sikhona uprocedure now because sifuna abantu abakisha ngebusiness ikulabona ngikhona disclose ukuthi bayabeka ku business ejwa yabona uthi okay sharp awusijozi but okay this week recover sizoku trainer for training please catch up masinya cause fanele ukuthi lapho ukhona ubooster isalary yakho cause bakupha a small nyana basic and then i commission akhona ithe xaxa sharp. I was just first week training. But I was just about trainer, so like I'm trying ukubona ukuthi like ngayipusha bang this thing cause like ngiyifuna but ngibatla chelete. I was just kube kanjalo ke bangifundisa ngicala vele ngisebenze uthi I was pushing on a social media everywhere, post izinto engizenzayo, post umsebenzi ongiwenzayo ukuthi like abantu babe interested phela kibe le customer. But I was just nabe ngasomuntu ukuthi ngiyaphuma like ngiyahobody car wash cause anginamoto ngiyamoba chilla ngoteng body Sunday afternoon body Saturday bengayi uthi I had to ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi you know what business ke batlang imukayi imodule ngicediso so ngabe ngicala ngihamba lezi zinto lezi because of mangifika ke or awusuzina ke mothobo wathatha so ima ngikhuluma umuntu like ngakhona umu attract kulabo uthi ngihambe ngilapho ke ngiadvertise things like that. Which first month hayi bangitshela ukuthi if ngase to my clients next month ni double like that yabona kule 3 months yabona like ku 3 months bamfa gore ke reach target ya 15 but bona per month babatla 20 so bangipha i15 kuleyo nyanga so I need to push bakhona bona ukuthi ke batla how kuba tla ngmereko. Okay, sure. I was just push, ni reach target 1 month but ke reach le ebunzimeni ngibona ukuthi abantu umsebenzi lo it's easy mabakutshela ngawo it's hard to wait. What is second month ngitry vele ukupusha uthi ke push awusuze ke push nginga reach target ngishode ngumuntu one ngisky reach one uthi. So there is this one afternoon Friday kushayiswa early kula ngisebenza khona so uthi makushayiswa early mina ngashayisa early because I wanted to print izinto like the body pamphlets things like that so bengizenzele ukuthi ngiprint everyone uhambile kusele lo mlungu lo ophethe osiphethe kule company like more building area barekala ngoteng uselena or how ososi as how film on saselana ngithi bathi hayi una usebenza late njengami yabona ngivuma ngithi ya ari chalete angitshela athi ya imali ayifona ukuthi uyilale imali futhi uphaphame ukuthi uthola imali yabona uthi hayi vele sihleke inyana like kube ngikuchoka inyana ke lobona athi kimi athi ngibona ukuthi awufuna lo msebenzi athi kahle ngitshela la Philemon yini into ongayenza ukuthi lo msebenzi lo ugcine ube permanently employed lana like uthi ngimpeke ngithi no like uthi ke Arabe professional uthi no I'm going to put in extra hours in what izinto ezinjalo uthi vele ngikhulume like the points ja mereko wabona athi angibheke ahle athi no I know ukuthi usebenza ama extra hours uyenza yonke into I mean ukuthi if ever an opportunity ngeza on a platter ungayigrabha with both hands na the opportunity le what I was just like ngidideke angibona ukuthi nami ngididekile ukuthi kahle motho ubuka kayini cause like sikhuluma ngomsebenzi yabona ahle athi if ever uyayifuna le opportunity engithi ngeza ku silver plate ngicela ukuthi uze office lami ngizokutshela uthi now hamba uzothi mawucabangile so sharp usho ukuze office lami ngizokutshela ukuthi yini le opportunity. I was told as stupid as I am angicabanga izinto ezifani uthi hayi kube Friday weekend if kibe busy Monday bantu bashayisa mina ngiyasala cause like I had to catch up ezintweni ezinye zasemsebenzini uthi hayi usela one ngisele ngiwani uyaphinda futhi angibona how film onunjani ngikhona useselana hayi usirasi shame uthi nje ukuthi hayi ngiyabonga ukuthi nyanga le target ngeke ngireach and next month it's my last month la so I need to push ukuthi ngireach it target yabona athi ngithi le offer leyana it still stands so uthi what I was just kimona like userious athi phela bona laba baso bathanda phela ukuzenza serious yabona uthi ngimbheke umuntu serious athi uze office lami sizokhuluma ngale offer le ngitshela ngayo what I was told bekayenza icoffee lo muntu lo enza icoffee mathi kavela eoffice lakhe ngimsale emuva phela ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi le opportunity le engangenza ukuthi ngibe la permanently employed engi yabona uthi ngena office lakhe mangifika office lakhe umuntu athi vala umnyango umuntu ahlale phansi athi you can sit down nami ngihlale phansi angibuze athi uyayifuna le opportunity bengitshela ngayo na uthi ngimtshela ukuthi say the reason ngingaphi office lapho it's because of I'm interested to know ukuthi yini le opportunity and I'm willing to grab it with both hands. Niyangibamba uthi I was just umuntu aphakama uthi awusijosi umuntu aphakama yabona like ngi-officing mina ngihleli ngibheke so naye uhleli ubheke so ubeke icoffee lakhe la etafuleni so or ayemelele from la ahleli khona atle this side uthi ame la next to uFilimon uthi antwaremo sizothi umlungu bani maski simpheni igama so uyako uthi uyako angibambela yabona makangibamba la athi ayisho ngale opportunity na yabona uthi ngibheke ngithi ya ngisho yabona athi angibuze lwethu usho ka opportunity ngiyako ngofa yona or wayinkana yabona uthi athi ya ngisho athi what if le opportunity ifuna ukuthi wena ukhumule na awushoske uthi ngiyamangala ngikhumula kanjani because uyindoda ngindoda so ngizabe ngikhumula kanjani lobona uthi vele like ngithuke angibona ukuthi ngiyathuka uthi ajike vele angibona ukuthi like ngiba uncomfortable vele uthi ajike ahlale phansi etafuleni angibheke emehlweni uthi athi are you willing to bend over for mina na or awusijosi ngazwa amathumba amathu or like emiloko waba state of shock immediately athi umlungu lo muntu and arikomholo awusijosi angaba kubo 55 to 60 years umuntu omdala na awusijosi I'm 25 years so orkichore awusijosi athi angibuze futhi uthi are you willing to bend over for me na yabona uthi ngimbuze ithi what do you mean athi yimi athi like indoda mayenza into le abayenzayo like are you willing if ever ungakwenza lokho athi ungareach ama targets every month ngako referral ama clients every day or awusijosi angitshele athi ungaba na everything that you need I can provide for you athi ungaba employee of the month will company every single month if you can bend over for me awusijosi ngithuke ngiyaqhaqhazela arikikewe kichuhile nkateng arikuqhaqhazela even nesibunu sami ukenakana gore mara go dira jwa mtaba ekana yabona uthi umlungu angibona ukuthi ngithukile athi okay you can go home think about it and then if you've decided you can come into my office and tell me ukuthi u decide or awusijosi azangisafuna ukuthi ngibutha amaphepha etafuleni or invele ngathatha isikhwama sami ngasichopha sami saphele endaweni or awusijosi ngishoda ngama clients itarget ngingiriche vele this month ngiyabona so last month angayirichanga shoda ngumuntu one so this month ngiyiriche it means that next month is my last month ngiresignile kwa and I mean angina backup plan ukuthi ukhona ubhuti osebenzayo are umamami uyo osebenza emsebenze emakhishini so now because of bengisebenza bengikhona ukuthi siphatanise nomama ekithi ama siblings wasekithi rekhona wathusa nabona but awusijosi ngihlale ngiwani ngilina hanjishe ngina bushiro olelo la ngazange khona ukulala uthonga zange ngibuthuqo the minute ngishaya ubuthongo uthi hayi ukuthi kusile kuzwe mina qala phela I need to go back manje emsebenzini or awusijosi ngisitshela ukuthi whatever will happen ne izoyenzeka once and if it means ukuthi ngidirentwe ihore kebele chelete and bophelo baka buchubekele phambili let me do it and izoba into once off anyway or awusijosi uguy extend maka ngeoffice lakhe ngibona ukuthi ngikhona angishabeka WhatsApp are what's your answer or awusijosi bengitype uyasingichachazela onguqo uthi ngitype hore answer yakhe ki yes uthi athi okay usale ke mabahamba abantu usalela eofficeini redlabona na late uthi angithumele emoji leyenza la esiphilisho nina ngathi umdala ungakaboni uyatshela kunzima yazi kunzima eba officeini I'm telling you uthi hayi ngisebenza uAshoza athile une nekebereka mara mmelo waka nochuhile because I know ukuthi utloitsahala ngilobona uthi ngasebenza uthi supervisor yami line manager kahle ngitshela ukuthi this month futhi mina ngathi ngireach target so wenza kanjani you need to push uthi awusoziphela mola abawurapela sikoheni so bona they need i-business ukuthi irun and badinga abantu labo fanele phela ba generate income for thina so we need to push ourselves ukuthi reach target Ashoze kuhambiwe vele uhambi uthi makuhambiwa angatsabe athi buya ke because I think everyone uhambile uthi ngeoffice nakhe uthi umuntu angitshela ukuthi nasi isikhiya lesi uzohamba uya la ukuthi ungithi uye khona ashitsha lete uba to this address ngizokuthola khona or awushoze ketswe kesamaye ke ni ubareke ngabe ngiyelapha uthi mangifika vele ngivule ngingene awushozi uthi within boma 15 minutes vele uyako ngithizo uyako ngisho uyako vele eze uthi makafika awushozi awushozi like I regret lethi shine ngayithatha I regret sometimes krele bana re tsena la basadi re batsana ka diphinti go mmereko a re ba khona madoda kwenza look I'm not the first one and I won't be the last one ntweni yenzile I'm telling you or I was just ngifike lapha yena afike vele makafika vele uthi vele aqale vele angitshela ukuthi ngoba sesiqala lento lena bengafisi ukuthi this thing ibe between us ingakwayithi uvuka umunye umuntu and mina like kuba yinika itekanika shit mina ngizokunikeza ama clients ukunikeza whatever you need and then mina wena usalana sizoncedana or awushozi kidumela or kisadumela kamlobo kinodumela ka talk cause kichogile it's my first time kidirandu jeliso awushozi vele angitshela ukuthi no relax I know ukuthi first time it's difficult in yakhona ubona ukuthi uthukiwe but kitloba gentle or awushozi lo mlungu loyana ayenze whatever yenzayo awushozi kidumedzine but wona nthula ungiyokubezile lo mlungu I don't want to lie ngivumile mina ngwami umlomo but umzimba wami ungakavumanga to be honest or awushozi adira whatever adira or like abe excited after more or umuntu athabe like abe excited super excited uthi qedalana ngitshela ukuthi athi ngazi ukuthi usaqala usebenza maybe awunamali transport or stuff na 5,000 rand so uzakhona ukuthi utravelation and stuff athi armon arskale bala dilarena hore this thing it's between us awitshela umuntu awitshela noma ungadakwa urwenzeni ungayiphindi utshela umuntu it's between me and you but I was just say abena ke uyahamba ungishala phayana or ngene showereni or isikhalo ngasikhala lelo la ngiseshowereni or mulungele nkawolanga awushozi aribothoko konke lenkawu uqamcatsile uthi angicede ngigqokeke hayi ubhareke ngendaweni yami awushozi or the following day masivile emsebenzini abutu excited abutu right abuti mangithi ngivula email yami ungireferral level abantu or awusozi mangicala ngibayitshela ngebusiness uthi abantu vele bavume or quit vele ngayireach target ngaze ngadlula ngabantu abayi5 Thailand manager mejabula ukuthi avani yasebenza in now I was excited because commission it was commissioning ngitshela uthi nami ngibe excited kilobona ukuthi ayivele basho ukuthi hayi umfana lusesemusha reach target like give example kuma employees amanye kilobona uthi angisendele emoji athi remember emoji thize nina belungu bayenza nabantu abamnyama uthi okay awushozi mina ngicabanga ukuthi into iyoba yi once off wabona or motho banongisethi ilibantu ya hore in every second week just 1 week and then the second one uyang WhatsApp hore in my place isikhiya sikuphi ngicela ukuthola lapho or awushozi first time bengizobhlungu like indunambe yababhlungu for a very long time so makafuna ukuthi selapho vele bengidecline vele bengafuni angibuza ukuthi right in angirecommended namapilisi for ukuthi ngwathenga engizowafaka ngale ukuthi ngibe right masinya nina shutlo umuntu lo kahle umadle ngula yambona lo mlungu lo usidla usile into ahlala yenze ebantwaneni, especially itarget age usho ukuthi mama uthi umncane, and lo noma umncane like the only thing you want to push impilo yakho lwena like uthabise batswadi sichabeni or you are doing good. Okay, I was just uthi I don't want to lie that month ngayenza imali and guy each and every time asihlangana makahamba uyanipha kuma 10,000 15,000 ana problem athi give me the following month say month 3 ngeke manje ngisakho probationing ela na remember uthi month 3 athi give me athi once bakuthatha uba permanently employed I'm going to buy you a car ngeke usuku traveler nge-taxi and uyohlala le location edeni like move closer to work sizokhona ukuthi singasahambi siyobhuka kwawo kena kule one and then mina I follow so sawuthi unendawo lakho la comfortable khona ngibe nekhe ngizokhona ukuza at any time but awusuzona inkamakala na I thought of this thing transaction nakamufa enomfadi clients and then siyahlukana umuntu usakhuluma indaba ukuthi ngizokipleke in stuff uthi ngingali awusho into uyiqala innocent ne but mafelong uyidira sethi uyiplanela now is manje soba na ne planning uthi lento iqale innocently so because of I wanted something so now motho umpotsa kabo koloyi ngisuke lokushini ngihlale kudinisekile ukuthi siyobhuka yenye ubomunyangena ubumulini isikhashinyana umunyangena angafunda lento le or awusho third month ayenze futhi referrele awushozi rekopane but we did it twice kwedi ewu awushozi okay bokubuhlungu but it was getting nje a little bit better yabona uthi vele bangithathe vele uthi ngiriche target ibile ngijampele ngale ngidabule enhlekile ngidabulishe le target bangibikile yona hayi bophelo bube nice awusjosi orake batho ubutsa maka ake ngifuna ukukhuluma manga ngithini impilo ya right imali ya flow from income yami ya flow ngapha kumlungu uthi vele manje izinto zami seziyabalansa nami sengiba nemali phela sengiyafuna ngithi babadinga imali dinga malini babangathi afuna 3,000 ngibathi 6,000 manje phela impilo yashintsha ne-standard of living sesiyashintsha awusjosi umlungu angafuni ukuthi ngibe ne-girlfriend abahlike girlfriend akafuni ukuthi ngiphume ke kumajwaleni ufuna ukuthi mangishayisa ngendlini mangishayisa ngisendlini if weekend ngisendlini so baqeda ukusayina i-contract permanently so ngitshela ukuthi you know what if ngoba uthi ufuna ngithengele imoto akangithengele imoto ngibe nendawo and then from there like ngizobuyele emuva this ku-delete angeke ngisayifuna or I was just because of nami ngimncane ngifuna ukuphila impilo yami ngibe ne-girlfriend kuloko ngiskepe engwanyana man like ngispoil yabona okay sharp awushozi 2 months idlule 3 months idlule inyanga kwe 3 months enga 6 months within the company or awushozi angitshela ke ukuthi asami sofuna imoto ngiyorekela kolo inyane second hand sikhona ukuyithenga cash like ube yakho kilobona ora sihambe mina noguys hambe sifuna imoto uthi ukavele angithengele imoto nyana encane right ayithenge cash kolo ingwalisiwe kakayi ingabhalisi ngami ngimbuzo ukuthi why because uthi thengela mina but athi no for security reasons le moto lo izoba registered under mina wena uzathi umlide so right uzozithengela ngiyakho but this one ke urekela as a gift it's my gift to you but ibhaliswa umlomo okay awusoze ngabe nenkinga so ngifuna indawo ngithole closer to work athi asambe so ro sign ngibona ukuthi nalendawo futhi register under yena ngathi no indawo zoba ngeyami so ilis agreement ayibese egameni lami and everything or okay ke mbona or like anya kodumele kulobona like ufuna something to hold me ngakho akafuna uvuma but because of ana choice ngithola indawo ngibhadala deposit anginikeze nemali deposit ne rent atibhadela ngixo khona uhlamo or awusozi so now ngipermanent nginayo imoto kenale black so I'm buying myself a finisher for lendawo yami uthi sharp awusozi uthi mangisemsebenzini okay business ehamba kahle umuntu mabele arika kopana kamfanto ebatla vele uba excited emsebenzini uba right emsebenzini kuba mnandi yabona ur awusozi banomsekinali 1 year na 1 year ngize company uthi manje mina awusozi sengine girlfriend so girlfriend yami ikhona ukuza lapha yana because of guy uTlakwale akasakhona awusjozi mina lo muntu lo angisayifuni le agreement le uthi last month awusjozi motho utlwaetse hore maybe sahlangana 3 times a month re dira whatever so uthi makafuna last month ke han ka no I can't ka mfama bakanyana or no mfanele submit ama assignment wami in stuff like that o second time vele ngani u second time abona ukuthi kahle kahle sengibona reversing akusabatla deal eyarena globa uthi hayi umuntu emsebenzini uyacala vele like uyangiharasa kamereko uyangishawuta phambili kama colleagues wami ukuthi I'm lacking in mangenza slight mistake like unkenela somopela batho like una no like o mistreat motho o akangiphathi kahle emsebenzini uthi ngibona uthi angibhaleli WhatsApp ukuthi ngizoze ntambama sizoyenza lento le or awushozi ngibona hore for me hore ke be le peace emakefe motho onto ayibatla uthi ngimuphe the following day masemsebenzini aze like mo anyaka hona le batho like orata attention are atle mo honna ambotso you know what the other day I'm sorry like I had my own personal issues ngayikhiphela kuwe it wasn't my intention so I'm sorry uthi apologize phambi kwabantu okay because of ngimfile into ebatla second time akayifuna into uthi ngali still the same treatment angipha yona emsebenzini angiphi yona hore ke bona hore motho opila this thing futhi ngiyenze forever and mina ngisafuni yabona uthi hayi angitshela ukuthi ngixoxa kamabani uthi vele ngingali ngithi is uthi makafike endlini ngikhulume naye ngimtshela ukuthi you know what mina I think now I need to proceed ngempilo yami angeke ngithi ngimela wena you've got your own life so this thing like none of transaction between the two of us now when I so funk this thing mina nawe stay done so nake nale moto I do have a girlfriend and ngifuna ukuthi ngiexplore leyo part empilo yami ngibe ne girlfriend kinje bophilo bakhe or awusjozi lelo langa makahamba vele wathi lethi ikhaza zami zemoto ngisali khetha kasikoloyi or awusjozi zange ngifuna ukujika and stuff ngavele ngamnikeza amakhe wemoto cause ngifeda bore like ngimi so ngiyabenda every day ngikhathele or awusjozi leyo nyanga umsebenzi ngiwenza like angalekha amadlens ngalekha everything ngoba ngathi kuvaliwe nje or awusjozi emsebenzini umuntu like mistreater angithethisa ngaze one day waba yimi ngimfonela ngithi buya sizo rutodira taba ela uthi ngamenze taba ela umuntu sika ba right emsebenzini or awusjozi kitaba eyokuya last month so this month since kwedithomile abatla kehana uthi emsebenzini ke manje like are everyone around me sebangizolibhlungu because they baba understand ukuthi what's going on mina I understand ukuthi why ngenza so befuthi akisana taba ke xwayetsi are awusjozi angatshela ukuthi sengibusana ama warning I2 nini ngilatele kalkulathi ka 5 minutes ngasayina I warning kubo bonke abantu baladela ngama 15 minutes but abangasayinanga I warning and nini ngithule early so ngiphume before isikhathi sokushayisa ngibuyosana I warning are awusjozi ona no scheme it's final written warning mangasayina no shooting yaphuma kule company or awusjozi asampatla motholo or like they were ngithetha ngakhona akasangifuni kule company because of mina sengizibhile iprogram ngithi angeke ngisaphinde ngilivule so awusjozi ngibona khona no akitsoni ngadira jwa will I be wrong if ever mina ngathatha le ndaba leyo ngibhale grievance ngibhale everything yenzakalayo ngi present a proof ama WhatsApp and stuff ki presente le horkoloyi ela inerekeleken othi ngithethe like idulchidi pictures and everything I do have proof on my side will I be wrong if ngam expose na because I feel ukuthi lo muntu lo akusimo uqala ngenza so bakhona badlula izandleni zakhe awusjozi angifana ukuthi ngivuke ngimsebenzini uthi ngiyakhala I cry because I know mangifika lapha yana ngihlaba kodwa abankemethi fana ukuthi ngifike 10 minutes or 15 minutes elemsebenzini mangishayisa ngimele wonke umuntu ahamba for me to be safe ngihambe ke or ngihambe group mayihamba nami ngihambe uthi even though mina ngasebenza hard kanjani awusjozi uthi khona into encane engizoyenza utonkomani so now I want to expose this man will I be wrong if in HR into everything ngibize nepanel lebe bang-interview nabantu bang-interview lapha ngibatshela ukuthi this man untirang here's my proof ngihlabekile wrong na ayikunzima eSouth Africa ayikunzima ngicela ni-advice enibhudi guys nangu uyazi uthwele kanzima hey ama-bending over emphethe manje akasawafuni phela so umlungu uthi next for thy day umfile so umfa every day akiyibatla wamfa. Sure, ngicela niphe advice. Bye guys.